Hello everyone and welcome to Rudy's Retro Intel. On today's show I'm going to show you how you can connect two NABUs to your PC for your enjoyment and pleasure. So let's peek inside and poke around. In order to get two NABU systems up and running at the same time, you just need to plug in both units into the USB cable of your computer, and basically you're running the software twice. So let's start each one up. So I have one here which is on COM4 and one here which will be set to, let's change this one to 7 and this one will be set to 4. We can then load up, let's try loading up, I don't know, let's try CPM on this one, and on this one we'll do the cycle 2. So when we running cycle 2 and one is CPM, let's start the servers and power on the NABUs. And as you can see, one is already loaded CPM, and the other one is starting to come up now. We can see back here that the software is loading up, and there we go. We have the NABU actually coming up now. It's going to have the NABU logo in a moment. And there we go, they're both up and running. So we can do one thing on one thing on the other. We can, play a game on, let's play a game on both of them. So let's pick, let's switch cameras here so you can see. I'm here, I'm gonna pick game room, I'm gonna pick, let's say, we'll pick, Galaxian, why not? And this one too, we'll pick Galaxian, and then we're going to reboot both NABUs. And there we go, they're both up and running. So, you have your friend over or someone that wants to play, you can both play at the same time. You can then compare your scores and go from there. So hit the go button, say one player, and they're up and running. So on the second machine here, we can see that it is running the slideshow. And on my first machine, I can, run something else. I can go, let's say, to World of Games, and I can pick, I don't know, let's pick this one, and we can watch and play on one as the slideshow is happening on the other one. So it's kind of neat that we can do both. Here in this example, I'm showing you can run the NABUnetwork.com adapter software. At the same time, we can run the NABU.run web page to get the second NABU up and running. So on this one, I'm going to pick COM7. I'm going to start the server. I selected the CPM, and on here we're going to click here for the port. You can pick the port numbers you want. It's seeing that we have 7 and 4, but 7 is being used. We'll select 4, hit connect, and then we can go to let's say cloud CPM, and then we will turn on both NABUs. And here you can see we have everything up and running. The cloud CPM is loading. Okay, and the new features I want to show you here is the new addition to the NABU network software. So let's bring up the software. This is one, and we're going to bring up a second one. There we go. We're going to ensure that they're both checked to the control from NABU headless. Control from NABU headless. We'll make this one COM7. That one's going to be COM4, and we're going to turn them on. So the server's up and running. Now let's fire up the NABUs and see what's going on. And we can see that both of them are starting up. The one with the custom ROM, ROM 14, is on the bottom and it's already loaded. The top one is the stock ROM, and we can see that both of them are running the headless option, which has a menu. So let's look a little bit closer into that. So here we can see them both running, and here's the menu. Actually, let's switch to another screen so that you can get a better view of what the menu is all about. So here we have multiple options. We can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to select. The first one is the NABUnetwork.com. You can go there, and from there we see we have NABU Network Cycle 1. We have NABU Network 1984 Cycle 2, March 2023. We have CPM and Basic. So let's fire up CPM. Again, this one's running on version of the ROM version 14. And we can see that it is running just fine. To go back to the menu, we just restart our NABU. And in this case, we pick one for cable. And we can pick something else. We can go to the homebrew software and pick, let's do this demo here. And the demo is up and running. Now on the second NABU, I don't have another capture card, so I only have this view for now. But let's pick Games Room, and we'll pick one of my favorites. We'll pick Pac-Man. And it's loading. And there we go. So we have Pac-Man running at the same time as running a demo on the other one, all headless. And again, if you want to get back to the menu, we just restart the NABU and it comes up and it will have the menu. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Take care.